Don't you think Another Love sounds so emotional when you play it on the violin? Hi, I'm Julia from Violin Inspiration, and today we will learn Another Love on the violin. I've arranged this version to sound really nice for intermediate players on the violin with nice fingerings and bowings, and I also prepared two versions of a piano accompaniment for you and two versions of piano and violin. To help you with the right finger placement and intonation, I've also added a free scale that you can download below in the same key as this specific song. If you practice the scale before you start practicing the song, it will be so much easier to play in tune because you already know where to put your fingers. So really don't skip this step and first practice the scale so that you will play everything more in tune. If you feel like this version is a little bit too difficult still, you can also look for the other version on my channel that I arranged for beginners. In that case, just look for Violin Inspiration plus Another Love and you will surely find the other version too. Okay, without further ado, let's get started with the play-alongs. Good luck practicing! I really hope that went well. And if you want to learn other emotional pop music on the violin, I can also really recommend to learn 1,000 Years. I've uploaded both a beginner version and an intermediate version on my channel, so there's something for everyone. And I think you would really enjoy that one if you enjoyed to play this song. Also, next week there's another song coming up that I think you will love, so be sure to subscribe to make sure that you are not missing the next tutorial that I'm going to upload. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and comment below how your practice was going. I'd love to hear from you. It always makes me so happy to see your comments, and it truly motivates me to make more videos like these. Thanks so much for watching and happy practicing!